Perfect Shop is an easy-to-use, responsive, incredible simple multi-language e-commerce system that can be configured like a shop, B2B, ordering or catalog. Perfect Shop has all the features needed for a shop, B2B, ordering system or catalog system. Multi-language, multi-currency, multiple level of prices for partners, orders, customers, vouchers, promotions, payment in different currencies, payment via PayPal or card, shipping costs by transport zones. In general, a shop screen have the following structure. Shop header, contains, logo, search field, header email, header phone, landing button, help desk button, user login, cart. The main menu, with the default options, About Us, Services, all categories, promotions, and, if is the case, language. You can change the name of each default option in applications dictionaries. If you set a multi-language shop, you need to set the names for each language. The menu options, About Us, and Services, have attached pages built from text blocks. Each text block is an HTML field, containing text and graphic elements. Each text block have a desktop view, a mobile view and a title that can be displayed or not. For these menu options, you can use the last text block like shop footer, where you can mention your contact details, or you can add links to shop pages like shipment page, terms and conditions, RMA, payment page, etc. The menu option, All Categories, is a grid built from products fields, that will be displayed first, when the application starts. On the left side there are filters generated from categories, attributes and brands or master filter. The menu option, Promotions, will display the promotions available between start date and end date. The menu option, Language, if you set a multi-language shop, a menu option named Language, will appear in the main menu. Shop settings, shop configuration. Set your online system title, logo and a shop email address. Header email and header phone will appear in the system header, if you fill them. If empty, nothing will appear. Online system type. Select B2B, B2C if you want to have a full shop, including shipment, payment and vouchers modules. Select catalog, quotation request, if you don't need shipment, payment or vouchers modules. Anyway, even you choose B2B, B2C, you can hide shipment or payment or vouchers modules. Show attributes. Our shop works without attributes or with 1 or 2 or 3 pairs of text, value attributes. The value attributes can be selected using a slider, setting value intervals. Payment before order confirmation. If yes, at checkout, the platform will send the customer to PayPal or Stripe to pay. If the payment is successful, the customer will receive the order confirmation. If no, at checkout, the platform is redirecting the customer at customer orders, in the customer zone, sending in the same time the order confirmation. From orders the customer can pay later. Login without registration. You can allow customers to place orders without registration. Desktop view on devices. You can freeze the desktop view, for all devices, desktop and mobile. Show price list. In the customer zone you can display a price list with all the shop products. This is useful when you are working with partners and they are asking for a price list. Show search field. Display or not the search field in the shop header. Show vouchers. Display or not the vouchers module. Show shipping. Display or not the shipping module. Shipping zones. You can define a shipping cost for each shipping zone. Shipping zones can be countries or countries and counties. Automatic set finalized order when payment is completed. You can set the order stage, finalized, when the payment is completed. This option is useful for software licenses. As soon the customer pays, the license can be released. Automatic generates withdrawal document and invoice if order is finalized. You can generate automatically withdrawal document and invoice when an order is finalized. Products. Show overview, description, specifications fields. You can select the product description fields to be displayed. Items in the cart. You can select one or many items in the cart. For our shop we are using the option, one item in the cart. Show two prices, currency, base currency. You can display only the base currency price or both, hot currency and base currency. This option is useful for importers when the exchange rate is fluctuating. Stock. Negative inventory. Customer can place order even you don't have the products in stock. Show stock. You can show or hide stock field. Stock display type. Status or numbers. Limited stock products number. If you like to have a status display type, like limited stock, you have to introduce the number of products that indicates a limited stock, let's say 5. The products that will have a stock less than 5 will get a limited stock status. The main menu options that you can use are About Us, Services, All Categories, Promotions. For each menu option, you can change the name in applications dictionaries. If you set a multi-language shop, you need to introduce the names for each language. You can choose, if the block's titles will be displayed in the menu pages, to underline the block's content. You can decide, if the main menu options, will be displayed or not, selecting yes or no, in the field, Show in Main Menu. For menu options, About Us, Services, All Categories, you can select, a slider or a simple photo, to be displayed in the page header, field, slider or photo. You can select, the slider or the photo, height. Shop links. The links you can use for your shop. In the shop header you have 2 predefined buttons, landing button, and help desk button, that you can use for your links. A button link can be one of the listed shop links, or another link at your choice. If empty, the buttons will not appear. You can change the buttons' names in applications dictionaries. If you don't want the buttons in the shop header, you can still use the available links in the pages or footers. Shop templates are the HTML shop templates that you can customize, like customers' registration, orders, invoices. Information pages. You can edit the pages, terms and conditions, delivery, payment, RMA, regulations. The links to these pages can be found in the shop links. You can attach these links in text blocks or footers, informing your customers about your terms, shipment zones, payment methods, RMA, promotions rules, or regulations. The page, My Cart on Screen, is the page attached to the How to Order button in My Cart screen. The page, Profile on Screen, will provide the information displayed under Customer Profile Form. The page, Order Terms on Screen, will provide the information displayed under checkout fields. Information pages are needed to describe better for your customer the shop purchasing process flow. The field, Product Information, can contain information available for all products. For example, 12 months warranty. This text will be displayed in the Products page, for each product, with an info icon before. Banners, Main Slider, are photos of each main menu option page header that you display. Banners, Categories Slider. As soon you set categories, you can add banners for each category. These banners will appear in the header page of each category. Content Library. It is a library of HTML design elements that you can use to make beautiful pages. You need only to copy the elements from the library, and paste them in your pages blocks, for both desktop and mobile view. If you set a multi-language shop, you need to make the translation for each language. For the menu options, About Us, and Services, that you display, you have to introduce the menu option text blocks. Using these blocks we are building HTML pages. These HTML pages, together with their slider or photo headers, are linked with their correspondent menu option. You can preview anytime the menu pages using Preview Content button. If you set a multi-language shop, you need to introduce the text blocks and their titles for each language. The same for Promotions, menu option. The promotions will have a start date and an end date when they will be displayed. Promotions can be set to deduct from products prices, a fixed amount or a percent. All Categories is the default shop page that will be displayed first when application starts. This page will be generated automatically based on the shop settings. Customers are the companies or persons that are registering into your shop. If you are using Perfect Campaigns platform, they are automatically copied in leads. Shipping zones. You can create shipping zones based on countries, or based on countries and counties. For each shipment zone, you can set a shipment cost. Shipping weight rates are the forwarder's rates for different weights. Shipping. You can calculate the shipping cost, considering fixed shipping rate. You can choose to have a fixed rate only, or a fixed rate that you add to the weight shipping rate. Weight shipping rate. It is calculated based on weight or volumetric weight. In the case of volumetric weight, you have to specify the forwarder volumetric divisor. You can add this rate to the fixed rate or not. Free shipping. It applies only to the products marked for free shipping. For free shipping, you need to specify the minimum order value that will qualify the shipment for free shipping. Payment. Payment types. There are 4 payment types available: bank transfer, cash on delivery, credit card, PayPal. Online system currencies. You can set an exchange rate of each currency for each payment type that can be different from the Perfect Campaigns platform, currencies, exchange rates. Stripe, API settings. Stripe is one of the biggest credit card payment platform in the world. Register in Stripe to get access to platform dashboard. There you'll find the test credentials and the live credentials. Use first the test credentials and make some tests. Then use the live credentials. PayPal, API settings. PayPal is one of the biggest payment platform in the world. Register in PayPal to get access into the platform. There you'll find the sandbox credentials and the live credentials. Use first the sandbox credentials and make some tests. Then use the live credentials. Vouchers. Vouchers. You can issue vouchers in the base currency and distribute them to your active customers. The vouchers have an expiration date. You can set new customer voucher if you are making a promotion and you want to offer a voucher to the new registered customers. Customers' vouchers. There are customers and their active vouchers. Generate all. Generates a voucher for all active customers. When the customer is placing an order, he can use only one voucher at a time. The voucher value have to be less than order value. Orders. Order settings. Settings. You can choose if you like to use only orders, or orders and invoices, in the system. Order status. An order can be OK or cancelled. Orders stages. For the orders, with the status OK, the stages are placed, processing, finalized. For the orders, with the status cancelled, the stages are cancelled, cancel order refund allowed, cancel order voucher allowed. If you are using a multi-language shop, you need stages and status, translated in applications dictionaries, for each language. Orders is the list of all orders, with stages, status, payment, etc. You can move an order to quotations, and make a customized quotation for the customer. You can generate new opportunities, based on orders, or you can generate withdrawal documents, or invoices. You can cancel an order in order form.